Hello guys! So let's talk about how to create a choppy animation inside the Cascadeur. Like in Blue-Eyed Samurai or whatever animation, you know. Puss in Boots, for example, second part. So, quite easy. What we have here, a couple of poses and yeah, Cascadeur point on someone and after that go to talk with him. That's it. And yeah, I use the in-betweening for walking and stand up and just Bezier interpolation for pointing, because in-betweening pretty badly works with the moving hold. It's better to use simple interpolation. And for fingers, yeah, I use also Bezier, because it doesn't work in-betweening for fingers. Yeah. And what is important here is it's better to have 24 frame, because it's cinematic things. It's not for games, actually. More or less not for games. You can use in games, but don't know how. But yeah, it's better to have 24 frame. In that case, you will receive 12 frame per second at the end, because software will keep every other frame the same. How to do this? Just select all your animation, because we need every frame to be keyframe. Press Alt F to make every frame keyframe, and after that you can go to the commands, animation scripts and keyframe reduction. Press this. On choose, yeah, you can choose on freeze, on force. That means that Cascadeur will keep 3 or 4 frame for you, but in our case we'll just use 2. True, false. Set fixed interpolation. No, I don't need this. Okay, and here you are. Now we got some choppy animation for Cascadeur. And it's look very stylized. Yep. So let's check other possibilities in that animation scripts. Add noise to selected object. I have a simple scene with a cube, and it's the same frame on frame 0 and 40. What we need to do, just create some interpolation. Let's say this one. Go select everything, go to the commands, animation scripts, and add noise to selected object. Different random value on frame, okay. And what we have here, we need to choose what we will do: position, rotation, or scale. In our case, let's say position, and we need to choose axis, for instance Y. And here you are, you have your noise animation on your cube. You can choose, for example, not the position, but select, let's say, scale, why not? And scale on Y, and let's try 2 and -2. Whoa, 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 yeah, that's cool. And by the way, you can combine also this stuff with previously done commands, keyframe reduction. Again, select everything, Alt F to make every frame keyframe, go to commands, animation scripts, keyframe reduction 2. Okay, and you have your stylized choppy animation of the scale cube. Why not? Let's check another commands. Then we have animation script, go to origin. Okay, I will explain it later. Invert selection. If we have some selection, like here, You can go to the commands, animation script, invert selection, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It'll invert all your selection. All other scripts, animation script, reverse animation. Yeah, cool thing, why not? Check commands, animation script, reverse animation. Yeah, it's not necessary, and you see you can reverse animation. For some time warp effects. Yeah. What else? Keyframe reduction, reverse animation, go to origin. That's kind of tricky. You need to have the bone, I mean root bones on your character to do this. For example, in that case, we cannot do this. But I will try. Now we have reverse animation. That's funny. We can play with this. Okay. Edit and retarget copy, and I have many which has root bone. Select our many, edit, retargeting past. Okay, so Cascadeur crashed last time, but now we have our many finally here, and we need to check commands called animation script called go to origin. So to do this, if you check what it's about, go to origin, it says shift the animation on the selected frames so that it starts from the scene origin, works only with the active root constraint. So we need to select our root, in our case outliner, foot root, not foot root, yeah, he is the root. Okay, this is root, and for instance from this point we want that animation start from beginning. Select all the frame, go to commands, animation scripts, and go to origin. And as you see, just remove this, and as you see, from this moment he fly from the center of the scene. That's how to work this. It's like you can create some portals, for example, in that case. Something like that. Don't know how to use it, but anyway, yeah. What about other animation scripts? Actually, in my case, they didn't work. Untwist animation just crashed the Cascadeur a couple of times, and remove step interpolation. Interpolation frames doesn't work at all. He do nothing. I try many times. We can try it again. Let's say we have a couple of interpolation frame, and it's self-explanatory. You select this part and it should remove interpolation frame. So select it, everything, commands, animation script, remove step interpolation frames. And here we go. Yeah, Cascadeur, yeah, work unpredictably. But anyway, I hope it was helpful, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.